Dad, can I tell you something?
Of course, Lily. What happened?
Dad, I cannot do my English homework.
Why not, sweetheart?
I try to study, but I get scared.
Scared? Why?
When I speak English, I make mistakes. Sometimes my hands shake, and my mind becomes blank.
Oh, Lily, that is completely okay. Learning English takes time. Every student makes mistakes in the beginning.
Really? Even good students?
Yes, even teachers make mistakes sometimes. Mistakes help us learn better.
But my English sounds so bad.
No, sweetheart, your English is improving every day. You just need practice and confidence.
Okay, Dad.
Now tell me, what is your homework about?
Simple present tense.
Wonderful. Simple present tense is very easy. We use it for daily routines, habits, and things we do every day.
Can you explain slowly?
Of course, listen carefully.
I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school.
These are all simple present tense sentences.
Oh, because these are daily activities?
Exactly right.
Okay, I think I understand now.
Good girl. Now answer my questions in full sentences. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Very good. What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth.
Excellent. Then what do you do?
I wash my face and take a bath.
Wonderful. Your sentence is correct.
Really?
Yes, you are doing great. What do you do after your bath?
I wear my school uniform.
Good. Then?
I eat breakfast with my family.
Very nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread, eggs, and fruit. I also drink milk.
Perfect English, Lily.
Thank you, Dad.
Now tell me, how do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What subjects do you study at school?
I study English, math, science, and history.
Excellent. Do you like English?
A little, but I still feel nervous.
That is normal. Confidence comes slowly. Practice makes you better every day.
Dad, my classmates speak English very fast. Sometimes I cannot understand them.
Then you can politely say, "Please speak slowly." Please speak slowly. Perfect pronunciation.
Thank you, Dad.
Now let us learn an important grammar rule. In simple present tense with he, she, and it, we add s or as to the verb.
Can you give examples?
Of course, I play, he plays. I watch TV, she watches TV. I go to school, he goes to school.
Oh, now I understand the rule.
Very good. Now make one sentence with he.
He plays football every evening.
Excellent sentence. Now make one sentence with she.
She studies English every night.
Wonderful, Lily.
Dad, what about negative sentences?
Good question. For negative sentences, we use do not and does not. For example, I do not sleep late. They do not eat junk food. She does not drink coffee.
Why do we say does not drink and not does not drinks?
Because after does not, the verb stays simple. Only drink, not drinks.
Oh, okay.
Now make one negative sentence.
I do not watch TV during class.
Very good. Another one.
My brother does not like vegetables.
Excellent, Lily. Now let us learn questions in simple present tense. We use do and does. For example, do you play cricket? Does she sing well?
Do you drink tea, Dad?
Yes, I do.
Does Mom cook every day?
Yes, she does.
This is becoming easier now.
Because you are learning step by step.
Dad, can we practice daily routine sentences again?
Of course, repeat after me. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wear my school uniform.
I wear my school uniform.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I study with my teachers.
I study with my teachers.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
I come home in the evening.
I come home in the evening.
I eat dinner with my family.
I eat dinner with my family.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I sleep at night.
I sleep at night.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I complete my homework.
I complete my homework.
I take a bath.
I take a bath.
Excellent. Now say everything together.
I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a bath. I wear my school uniform. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study with my teachers. I play with my friends. I come home in the evening. I complete my homework. I eat dinner with my family. I sleep at night.
Amazing, Lily. Your English sounds much better now.
Thank you, Dad. I feel more confident now.
That makes me very happy.
Dad, can I really speak English fluently one day?
Of course you can. You just need patience, confidence, and daily practice.
Then I will practice every single day.
That is the spirit. Never stop trying.
Earlier, I was scared of English.
And now you are speaking full sentences beautifully.
Thank you for teaching me so patiently.
I am always here for you, Lily.
Tomorrow, can we learn present continuous tense?
Of course, tomorrow we will learn even more English together.
Yay! I am excited now.
Good. Remember one thing always.
What, Dad?
Never be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning.
I will remember that forever.